Did you know there was once a truck born from war that later became the backbone of peace? This is the 1946 Dodge Power Wagon, a machine that didn't just drive across America, it helped build it. When World War II was nearing its end, the U.S. military relied on a rugged workhorse, the Dodge WWII, a truck that could go anywhere. Mud, snow, desert, mountain slopes. It did not care. It just moved forward. It carried injured soldiers, pulled artillery guns, and brought him home. It wasn't beautiful. It wasn't elegant, but it never failed. And when the war was over, Dodge knew something important. The same strength that won battles could help rebuild a nation. So in 1946, the Power Wagon was born, a military machine reforged for the working American. Under the hood was a 3.8-liter flathead inline-six. Not a loud engine, not a show-off, but a worker. 94 horsepower, but that number does not tell the story. What mattered was torque. 300 Newton meters of pure pulling force available at low RPM right when real work begins. This engine didn't scream, it grumbled. Deep, steady, confident, like a man who has spent his whole life working the land. No bragging, no noise, just strength. The transmission was a 4-speed manual, paired with a 2-speed transfer case that allowed true 4-wheel drive. This meant one thing: if there wasn't a road, the Power Wagon would make one. The frame was solid ladder steel, thick, unbent, unbreakable. The axles were forged iron, made to carry more weight than any truck of its era was rated for. On paper, the payload was about 1.5 tons. In real life, farmers, loggers, miners, they loaded twice that, day after day, year after year, and the Power Wagon just kept going. This truck built fences, cleared forests, pulled tractors out of mud, carried fuel through snowstorms, fought wildfires before helicopters existed. In remote mountains, in frozen oil fields, in wide-open cattle country, where other trucks stopped, the Power Wagon began. But beyond power, beyond steel, there is something deeper. The Power Wagon became part of the American memory. It appeared in farmyards at sunrise, covered in dust and sweat. It stood beside barns, old sawmills, cattle ranch gates. Children learned to drive in it, fathers passed it on to sons, grandfathers told stories of the war it came from. It was never just a truck. It was a tool that represented something America valued: work, strength, and the will to keep going. Today, the Power Wagon is a legend. Collectors restore them. Ranches still use them. Some of them, nearly 80 years old, still fire up with one turn of the key. Because there are machines built from plastic and wires, and there are machines built from steel and heart. The 1946 Dodge Power Wagon was not born to be beautiful. It was born to be forever. A symbol of the America that worked, the America that endured, the America that built itself by hand.